This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials: a properly formatted table and one dedicated search cell. Convert your list to an Excel table so ranges auto-expand. This avoids broken formulas later. Next, pick a visible cell and label it Search. That becomes your input box the user types into. Once done, verify the table name in the name box or table design. Make sure column headers are exact, because the formulas reference those names, and rely on consistent headings to return correct results. Now you implement the search logic with filter. In an Excel 365 workbook, write a formula such as equals filter, table, isNumber, search cell, table column, no matches. This returns rows where search cell text appears in column. For multiple columns, combine conditions, isNumber search plus isNumber search, gives or behavior, multiply for and. Put the formula where you want the spill results to appear, and place headers above it, so the spilled array aligns visually with your table, and finish by polishing the interface. Format the search cell, add a clear button or data validation suggestions, and freeze panes so results stay visible. If you see a hash calc or no results, first confirm the search cell contains text and that the table name and column names match exactly. Typos break the formula. Also check if you're on Excel 365. If not, create a helper column using search to mark matches, and then use index/match or filter-like logic to return matching rows instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.